All right, GBMC. This is a video to find our two winners for the Woodson full-size helmet. Pick one. This is the mini. We will check the time, September 13th at 2:38 p.m. We're going to go over to the mini and type live. And we have September 13th at 2:38 p.m. There's the list of our 36 mini entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top two after the final roll will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. That's not going to work. That'll work. 9 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Scott and Jake. So Scott, you will get 6 in the main, and then Jake, you will get the remaining 3. So there is our verification code. Our timestamp, once again, September 13th at 2:39 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.